welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful Glitz and Glamz chromatic palette. Look at those shades, to die for. Super pigmented. Check out these swatches. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. So basically Glitz and Glamz Cosmetics is all handmade. She literally makes all her products from home. I'm just going to show you guys this cute little style that I got. Cute little makeup look. And I'm going to be starting off by priming my eyelid with actually a face primer from Ulta, and I'm blending that out with my beauty blender. So this palette was about $25 to $30. Super worth it. I'm taking that shade right in the middle of the palette and I'm blending that into my crease just to add a lot of depth and dimension. And now I'm gonna take a swatch of this just to show you guys. That is so gorgeous. And my lights were super bright, so of course it got washed out. But what you want to do is pack this color onto your lid. Now I'm just packing it onto the bottom portion of my lid. Super cute. And I'm also going to be taking another shade after I'm done packing. So now I'm just going to go right back into my crease and just clean up any of the eyeshadow underneath it just to get it a little bit more crisp. So now I'm taking that chunky glitter eyeshadow and I'm just packing that onto my eyelid with my finger. This is super gorgeous. Like, I love how it gave off this wet look even though it's not wet. Super gorgeous. Like, I was on my way to a Disney commercial and this was the look that I went for. It was actually called Disney Fairy Tale Wedding, and it's a TV show actually. And this is the look that I went for. It was like a wedding, an actual wedding, but they needed extras for it. So anyways, what I'm doing now is popping a light brown eyeshadow under my bottom lash line. And then I'm just using some mascara. Falsies would be so cute with this, but I was on a really strict dress code, so we couldn't really do much. So this was perfect. And the crazy part is I can barely do eyeshadows, and this look came out amazing. So I recommend it for beginner beauty babes. I recommend it for anyone, advanced, beginners, whoever. So I'm just cleaning up my skin here. Cleaning up my skin, what am I saying? I'm just finishing off my foundation. And now I'm going to be showing you guys the Glitz and Glam highlighter and Peaches and Gleam. So that is so cute, you guys. Like I said, she makes all of her products and they're pigmented. Look at that, you guys. I was shook about 3-4 times in this video. Look at that highlighter just popping. Super popping. Like, there I go, shook for the 3rd time. So now I'm going to be showing you guys the Hunny Bum Lip Gloss. And this is so cute. It's like gold shimmer. And I know that it was more like a silver undertone with the eyes, but this really looked so cute together. So you guys, if you want this palette, this is not a sponsored video, but I am a diehard fan of this product. I'm going to list all of her information in the description box for you guys. If you guys want to try out these palettes and try out her cosmetics, which I highly recommend, don't forget to check her out. All of her information is going to be in the description box. I'm going to leave that promo code in there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.